There's a moment every day when your dog looks at you in a way you've never truly stopped to understand. And what if I told you that behind that look lies one of the most exciting discoveries science has ever made about the bond between two species? You'll probably look at your dog completely differently for the rest of your life. Stay until the end, because the last discovery in this video changes everything you think you know about why he loves you so much. Most owners believe their dog sees only the owner, the lifelong friend, the person who takes care of him. But science shows something much deeper than that. Before we continue, leave your dog's name in the comments, because I want to know who's watching this video with you right now, lying by your side or staring at the screen without understanding anything and still happy just to be close to you. You've probably heard that cats see humans as big cats, with no difference between you and another member of the colony. But with dogs, the story is completely different. Over more than 15,000 years living alongside human beings, dogs developed a set of social behaviors that doesn't exist in any other species on the planet. Researchers call this the human-dog bond, and it's something unique in the animal kingdom. Your dog doesn't look at you and see another dog. He sees something he was genetically shaped, generation after generation, to seek out, trust, and attach himself to. Not an equal, not a pack member, but something much closer to an essential reference point for his own existence. Cognitive scientist Brian Hare from Duke University dedicated much of his career to studying canine cognition and discovered that dogs have a unique ability to interpret human social cues, an ability that not even our closest primate relatives can replicate. When you point at something, your dog follows your finger. A chimpanzee doesn't do that. A wolf raised by humans doesn't either. Your dog understands human intention in an almost inexplicable way, because this shows that he didn't just learn to live alongside us, he evolved to understand us. And that understanding shapes everything your dog feels when he looks at you every day. Now think about what happens the instant you pick up your house keys. The dog's ears perk up. He follows you to the door. Some pace back and forth, others whine, others simply sit and stare at the door long after you've already left. For years, this was simply called separation anxiety with no further explanation. But scientists began to wonder what actually happens inside a dog during those hours alone. What they found was remarkable. Studies tracking dogs left alone showed that stress hormones rise within minutes of the owner leaving. Heart rate increases, the body enters a constant state of alertness. But the most surprising part came next. When researchers played recordings of the owner's voice to dogs alone at home, stress levels dropped almost immediately. And it wasn't just any human voice that caused this effect. It was specifically the owner's voice. The same thing happens with scent. Research from Emory University found that among different scents presented to dogs, only one activated the brain's reward-related area, the same region associated with pleasure, affection, and positive anticipation. That scent was the owner's. It wasn't food. It wasn't another dog. It was you. Your dog isn't just waiting for you to come back. He's holding on to you in the only way biology allows him to, until the moment the door opens again. If this is changing the way you see your dog right now, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell, because every week we bring discoveries like this, things science has already proven, but that almost no one tells the people who truly love their own animals. The next discovery is one of the most curious of all. Your dog may be reading your face more closely than most people around you do. When you look at another person's face, your eyes naturally go first to the left side of their face. Scientists call this the left gaze bias. This happens because the right side of the human brain, responsible for processing emotions, controls the left side of the face, and we evolved to pick up on that signal. The extraordinary part is that your dog does exactly the same thing, but only with human beings. In experiments that showed dogs images of human faces, other dogs' faces, and various objects, the pattern of looking left appeared only in front of human faces, This means dogs developed a form of emotional reading aimed specifically at us. That's why many times your dog senses you're sad before you even say a word or make a gesture. He's picking up on micro-expressions on your face with a precision built over thousands of years of observation. Dogs can also tell happy human faces, apart from angry ones, even in photos of people they've never seen before. They understand what an angry expression means without anyone needing to teach them. So the next time your dog quietly comes over and rests his head on your lap on exactly the day you're having a hard time, know that it wasn't chance. He read your face, processed that information in a brain shaped by thousands of years of paying attention to you, and made a decision. He chose to come to you. If you know someone who loves their dog the way you love yours, send them this video right now, because they deserve to know just how much bigger that love is than they imagine. Now let's move to another point that completely changes how we interpret a simple gesture, the movement of the tail. Most people think a wagging tail just means a happy dog, but scientists discovered that it's not just the wagging that matters, it's the direction. When a dog feels something positive, like the owner coming home or meeting someone they love, the tail wag leans more to the right. When the dog feels insecurity, anxiety, or is facing a stranger that puts him on alert, the movement leans to the left. And the most impressive part is that other dogs can interpret this signal. Researchers in Italy showed videos of dogs wagging their tails to the right to other dogs, and the ones watching stayed calm. When the videos shows the tail wagging to the left, the heart rate of the dogs watching increased. Their bodies reacted automatically to that signal. Your dog has a vocabulary in his own tail that he didn't need to learn. He was born knowing how to use it, and he uses it with you every day. The height of the movement also communicates something. A tail held high and wagging fast shows confidence and enthusiasm, while a low, slow tail can indicate submission or an attempt to calm the situation. Tell me in the comments, does your dog's tail wag more to the right or to the left when he sees you arrive? I really want to know the answer. And there's one last discovery that ties together everything we've seen so far, and it's the real reason I made this video. You are the center of your dog's entire world, and there's a neurochemical explanation for it. In 2015, a study published in the journal Science made headlines around the world. Researchers found that when dogs and their owners simply looked into each other's eyes, both showed a significant increase in oxytocin, the hormone linked to emotional bonding. It's the same substance released between a mother and a newborn baby in the first moments after birth. Stop for a second and think about that. When your dog looks at you, his brain releases the same chemistry humans use to bond with their own children. And when you look back, your brain does exactly the same thing. This isn't sentimentality. It isn't a pet owner projecting emotion onto the animal. It's a documented biological cycle, a current of bonding that your dog activates just by looking at you. And remember what we saw at the beginning, how dogs evolved specifically to read human faces, follow human signals, and respond to human emotion in a way no other animal can. All of this was built precisely to arrive at this point, at a being who doesn't just live alongside you, but who is neurochemically connected to you. Before we finish, subscribe to the channel now, because next week I'll bring another discovery that explains why some dogs sleep facing away from the door and what that really says about how much they trust you. Your dog doesn't just tolerate your presence. He doesn't just accept you as part of the environment he lives in. You are the reason his brain releases the most powerful bonding substance there is. You are the scent that activates his reward center. You are the face his eyes evolved specifically to decode. Your dog doesn't see a human when he looks at you. He doesn't see an owner. He sees the one presence his entire biology was built to find. He sees you. And if this video made you look at your dog differently right now, share it with someone else who needs to hear this today, because sometimes we forget just how loved we are. And a video like this can remind someone of that at exactly the right moment.